Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. The world of smart home technology is witnessing a transformative leap at CES 2026 as Samsung unveils its latest line of AI-powered home appliances integrated with Google's Gemini AI. This collaboration is redefining the way people interact with their kitchens, turning everyday cooking and household management into a seamless, intuitive experience. Unlike traditional appliances that perform fixed tasks, these next-generation smart devices are designed to learn, adapt, and anticipate user needs, bringing a level of intelligence previously seen only in sci-fi movies. At the heart of this innovation is Google Gemini, a cutting-edge AI platform that allows appliances to process visual and contextual data in real time. For example, a smart refrigerator equipped with Gemini can recognize the items stored inside, track expiration dates, and even suggest recipes based on available ingredients. It can alert users when stocks are low, automatically sync with grocery apps, and even place orders to replenish essentials. The system is designed to reduce food waste, save time, and make daily meal planning effortless, positioning AI not just as a convenience, but as a solution to common household challenges. Samsung's integration of Gemini extends beyond refrigerators. Their AI-powered ovens, microwaves, and smart ranges are capable of recognizing the type and weight of food placed inside, automatically adjusting cooking times, temperatures, and techniques for optimal results. This level of automation ensures that even novice cooks can prepare complex meals with professional-level precision. Voice integration and app connectivity allow users to control these appliances remotely, providing full oversight and flexibility, whether at home or on the go. Another standout feature is the appliance's ability to learn from user behavior. Over time, the system observes patterns, preferences, and routines, allowing it to anticipate needs. For instance, if a user frequently prepares a certain dish every Friday evening, the AI can preheat the oven, suggest ingredient substitutions if items are missing, or even recommend complementary side dishes. This predictive intelligence represents a major step forward from traditional smart devices, which typically rely on preset commands and schedules. The design philosophy behind these devices emphasizes simplicity and integration. Samsung's AI kitchen appliances feature sleek, modern aesthetics that blend seamlessly into any home. Touchscreen interfaces provide visual feedback, while gesture and voice controls offer alternative interaction modes. This approach ensures that technology enhances the user experience without becoming intrusive or overly complex, making AI accessible to a wide audience. Security and privacy are also key considerations. Google Gemini employs advanced encryption and local processing capabilities to ensure that sensitive user data, such as dietary habits and shopping preferences, remain private. Users have full control over what data is shared, and the system is designed to operate efficiently even when offline, reducing dependence on continuous internet connectivity. The implications of this innovation extend beyond individual households. By automating routine tasks, reducing waste, and optimizing energy usage, AI-powered appliances contribute to more sustainable living. They also open new possibilities for lifestyle content, meal planning apps, and home automation ecosystems, creating opportunities for developers, tech enthusiasts, and influencers to explore and share creative solutions. In essence, Samsung's CES 2026 showcase highlights a paradigm shift in how people experience the home environment. By merging AI intelligence with everyday appliances, Google Gemini-powered devices are transforming kitchens from static spaces into interactive, adaptive hubs that anticipate and support the needs of their users. This is not just about convenience, it's about reimagining the role of technology in daily life, making homes smarter, more efficient, and more personalized than ever before. With this combination of AI sophistication, user-centric design, and practical utility, Samsung's smart home appliances are set to capture attention, drive conversations, and potentially go viral across tech communities, lifestyle media, and mainstream audiences. This marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of AI-powered consumer technology, one that could redefine expectations for what smart homes can truly do. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.